Innovation in intralogistics. 18,500 square meters of space. 72,000 pallet slots in the high bay warehouse. An automated small parts warehouse with space for over 285,000 boxes. 100% delivery capacity due to intelligent networking throughout all warehouse facilities. Future-proof thanks to flexible expansion options.
My name is
Ingemar Schubert and I'm responsible for supply chain management at Keller Kalmbach. Keller Kalmbach is one of the leading wholesalers for fastening technology in the automotive, engineering, craft and locomotive industries. We currently pick and dispatch around 190 tons of goods per day for our customers. In 2009, Jungheinrich set up the new central warehouse for Keller Kalmbach. Between the beginning of 2015 and the end of 2016, Jungheinrich also took charge of the warehouse expansion. The goal was not only to increase the warehouse capacity, but to double the performance of the facility. This meant retaining absolute flexibility to be able to respond to new ordering patterns as quickly as required. The second construction phase posed an interesting challenge, as we had to work during running operation. We mechanically connected the conveyor technology to the old system, while on the IT level, we linked the old and the new systems together. Since its completion, the system has been running at full capacity. Up to 240 tons of incoming goods are processed each day. At 12 workstations, the goods are transferred into boxes and Kanban containers or placed onto carrier pallets so they can be put into storage. During the second construction phase, the automated small parts warehouse was extended by 6 storage aisles and now provides additional space for over 133,000 boxes. The palletized goods are transferred to the conveyor system and transported automatically to the high bay warehouse. This has also been extended with 5 additional aisles and a further 37,500 pallet spaces. The required goods are ordered via the goods-to-person picking system. The goods are transferred to the picker using the conveyor and pallet stacker. The ergonomically designed and integrated workstations enable the simultaneous picking of orders in different formats, such as pallets, containers or boxes, regardless of the order pattern or structure. The intelligent and flexible warehouse management system, Jungheinrich WMS, optimizes the different supply channels and the performance of the workstations. This ensures redundancy and protection against downtime, and helps to easily meet the tough requirements of orders placed by the automotive industry, for example. Thanks to the latest developments in robot technology, the picking process can be designed more flexibly, while areas for improvement are identified and utilized. The buffer system with the intelligent WMS optimizes the supply of orders to the pallet robots, thereby freeing up staff. As the system provider, Jungheinrich was responsible for the conception, planning and implementation of the entire solution. With in-house service engineers, Jungheinrich also ensures that warehouse operations continue to run smoothly and at maximum capacity. Jungheinrich was awarded the contract thanks to the first-rate technical solution they presented, and also because of their attractive and cost-effective proposal. Now, thanks to the flexible expansion possibilities, Keller Kalmbach is prepared for whatever the future holds.